Hello.
We are live.
We are live. Yes. Oh,
Good
have you ever?
evening.
All right. Have you ever noticed that sometimes the most powerful lesson in life come from moments we can now laugh about? Today is not about perfection, it's about progress, memories, and growth. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our
Hello.
fast and fun live challenge. I'm Rosalie from Padova, Italy, joining you from Italia. Yeah, and today I'm so excited because I'm not alone. I'm here with Mercy from Rome, and together we're going to have an honest, light, and meaningful conversation, sharing stories from our past and the growth that came after. This is a space for real talk, laughter, and reflection. So, I introduce to you Mercy from Rome. Hello.
Hello, thank you, partner, and good evening to everybody, wherever you are. And I'm excited. This is my first time to meet Rosalie in Zoom, my partner. Live, sorry. But I'm so very excited. And today we will give you a very fun talk, usually like that. So again, thank you. And I'm here in Italy with two children. And that's all. I'm also IFW, but also digital business owner.
All right. Are you ready with my 10 questions?
Yeah, of course.
So, my
Excited.
number one question is: would you rather work abroad for 10 more years or start small business that give you time freedom?
I want to start a small business that gives me freedom.
All right. Would you rather have a high salary but no time, or lower salary with more time for
It's
family?
very confusing for me, no? Because of course we like also both, no? Like higher salary and time for family. But they said you can choose. So I like to have a time for my family.
And my next question is: would you rather stay in a job you're comfortable with, or try something new that scares you but excites you?
I'd rather try something new that is curious but excite.
Oh. Next, would you rather fail once and learn, or never try, always
Rather
never
fail
try and
one.
always wonder what if?
Ah, rather fail once and learn for my failure. No, it's better to learn.
Okay, next. Would you rather have an extra income stream or depend only in one salary forever?
I'd rather to have extra income stream. You have to come back to number five.
Yeah, I noticed it. Would you, we will back for would you rather, no, let me see. Would you rather work harder now for, ano? Nasaan
For
ba?
future,
Nalito na.
it's okay.
Ayun. Would you rather work harder now for a better future or stay safe and stay stuck?
I'd rather work harder now for a better future.
Good. Next, would you rather start imperfectly today or wait until everything is perfect?
I'd rather start imperfectly today.
Good. Next, would you rather build something slowly but consistently or rush and quit when it gets hard?
I'd rather build something slowly but consistently. Go back to
Good.
number.
Very good answer. Would you,
you,
this is my last question to you,
no,
so
you
prepare
need to
yourself.
come. You need to come back the other one, number eight.
Yeah. Would you rather take one brave step this year or be in the same situation next year?
I'd rather take one brave step this year.
All right, it's your turn.
Now it's your turn that I for read all your answer, partner. No, now Now, ladies and gentlemen, I need to ask again. Also, my partner, what is her answer for 10 question fast pan talk live? So we need to come back for number one question. Partner, this is your first
For you to
question.
help.
It's your turn. Oh my God, we will see if we are a really good partner if we have the same answer. The same answer, the same question, but we
Okay.
are the same different situation. Don't worry, walang mali sa sagot. Everybody, all answer is correct. So everybody, so for those who nanonood po ay willing din po kayo mag-comment or mag-join sa amin po mga question. Even though you are watching now or watching replay, you can join. Your answer, pwede nyo pong i-comment below. So, now, ready, partner, for your first question? Partner, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
So
here.
here is your number one question that you need to answer. Don't worry, walang maling sagot. Would you rather work abroad for 10 years more or start a small business that gives you time freedom?
Of course, I want to start small business that gives me time freedom.
Wow.
Absolutely.
Wow. Would you rather have a higher salary but no time or lower salary with more time for family?
Eh, would you rather, number 2 question we are, right?
Imagine you
Uh,
have a high salary but no time for family, or you have lower salary but you have more time for
no, I
family.
prefer I have lower salary, but I have more time with my family. Absolutely.
Good, because even though you have a lower salary, we can another have extra, no? And
Yeah.
number three, would you rather stay in a job you're comfortable with or try something new that scares you but excites you?
I try something new, siyempre, na may excite ako.
Okay, nice. Would you rather fail once and learn or never try and always wonder what if?
Yes, I would like to rather fail once and learn. Absolutely.
And next question, would you rather work harder now for a better future or stay safe and stay stuck?
Eh, I see. I would rather have an extra. Hindi.
Would you work
Number
harder now
one.
for a better future or stay safe and stay stuck?
The first one, yeah, that's my
You
answer.
work harder now for a better future. Nice. And next question, would you rather have an extra income stream or depend only on one salary forever?
No, I would rather have an extra income. Absolutely.
Yeah. Wow, great. And next question, would you rather start in perfectly today or wait until everything is perfect?
Absolutely. I would prefer to start today.
Oh, nice. And next, would you rather invest in learning new skills or keep repeating the same routine every year?
Yes, I would rather invest in learning new skills. Absolutely.
Nice. I think we have the same answer always. And next one, would you rather build something slowly but consistently or rush and quit when it gets hard?
I would rather build something slowly but consistently. Yes.
Nice. And then the last one question. Exciting, no?
Finally.
would, would you rather take one brave step this year or be in the same situation next year?
Absolutely, I would rather take one brave step
Wow,
this year.
congratulations
This
for us.
year.
So that's all.
Yes.
Yes, that's all for
Perfect ba yung sagot ko?
our perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah, that's all for our fun fast talk today. Wow naman. So,
Wow.
I think nice that we have like this once a week.
Yes. We
Not
need it.
not always very serious, you know. Sometimes we need to relax and like this and parang evaluation for what we are doing and what we are going. Usually, this is not only fun. Almost hinango natin talaga sa buhay natin na kahit katatawanan pero totoo, 'di ba? Yung ating sagot. Hindi natin talaga siya biniro yun sa mga sagot natin pero it's like fantastic, you know. Parang fun but like that is it's true. What do you think, partner?
Yeah, absolutely. We should always, prepare to stay happy, stay, there's a lot of problems over there. But we should stay happy, stay calm,
Yes.
stay, we prepare to do something na we, yung marirelax ba tayo? We feel
Yeah, because
relaxed.
because usually and I realize all the question is very nice. Like if we rather not stay what we have right now or to have an extra even though we have a low salary but we have more time to family meaning we have more time and we have more time to extra income that maybe mas malaki pa yung kikitain natin. So
Mhm.
to those na nanonood po may mga gusto po kayong gusto po kayo na dito rin po kayo tulad namin OFW kami. Doon po sa mga naghahanap ng mga extra income, marami kasi 'di ba mga nagko-question especially na doon tayo sa thread, maraming nagtatanong OFW ano naman daw yung talagang maganda nilang income especially sa kanilang extra time. So maybe isa na po ito na inyong mga dinadasal-dasal, isa na lang din kasagutan. Comment below lang po kayo kung nais niyo pong matulungan namin kayo. Nandito kami ni Rosalie Partner and willing na magbigay ng maraming free, marami po kaming inihanda na guide, PDF na guide na mga kung paano gawin. Paano kumita ng extra income and not only na kumita ng pera na more than that, marami po kaming inihanda para sa inyo. And we are willing to give the free. Tama, partner?
Yes, absolutely. It's free PDF, ano nga yun?
Mga guide like that.
Yeah, guidelines
Guide
how
for
to
paano.
earn extra income. All
So
right.
that's all, partner. Do you want to add more? So bago tayo
No more
mag-close.
to our audience, to our viewers out there sa ating mga to all FW, working moms. If this live resonates you, feel free to message us, drop a comments in comment section, and we are here to guide you and help you. So we help you. This is not only for us, but for all of us. We want to help. That's all for us. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Good evening. See
Bye.
you
God
soon. See you
bless.
next
See you
Friday.
tomorrow. Yeah. Stay happy.
Ayan, ang galing. Panoorin